going on, guys? Thanks for tuning into another video. It is a Friday night here at Mifflintown Rental, and we are getting ready to spread some stone here, as you can see behind me. So let's go jump in a machine and get the spread here on the lot. It's pretty muddy here in January. It's been a little warm, so we're gonna get some stone spread on here and smoothed out. To the roller, let's back it in. All right, I am freezing. It's time to shut things down and head home for the week. Alright guys, we're going to do some welding. Weld these teeth on here to the bucket and we'll see how it goes. Well, if you look at it, it's debatable.
Don't look too shabby. Looks pretty good, actually.
Alright, you're gonna like this. I think you'll like it. How about that?
Absolutely.
That's better.
That's 100% there. Check out some of the welds.
just showed you some of my welds. I'm sure they're not the greatest, don't get me wrong, but I was pretty happy. I haven't done a lot of welding actually, so got this bucket all finished up, and I think we have at least one other one that we got to get done. So I'm not sure if Elam will do that or if I'll do that. Elam's the one that's kind of been teaching me the ropes. We are now going to load up the roller in the Ford here and head and do some rolling for a customer. Amish customer wants us to roll a parking lot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright. Wants us to roll a parking lot that they're putting in. So I'll probably grab a couple clips of that once I'm over there. Got the chains and binders on here. Got all loaded up. And we are heading out of here. Alright, so we got all done rolling. The customer just wanted me to roll this to hopefully drain down in that far corner beside the dirt pile. So got the roller on here. Just have to put all the chains and binders back on. As you can see, we are loaded up and headed down the road here. Pretty steep hill actually. Just right up the road from where I live, so it makes it kind of convenient. Just stop here, do the job. And now, back to the shop. Okay, we got back here from rolling that lot in for the customer. I'm just putting together the invoice here. That way it's all ready to mail out tomorrow, and it is quitting time, time to go home. What is up guys? It is now Thursday, it's been raining all day. So I'm going to pack up some parts back here in the parts room. Set you guys up here. We are shipping out some parts to a customer in Tennessee, so I'm gonna put this together and we'll get to work on it. That's everything here on the list. Got it all packed up. This is shipping down to Tennessee, like I said. So we're gonna have to get a weight on this, but I'm also gonna need a bigger box because this ain't cutting it anymore. All right, I got another box. So we're gonna transport it. So we maxed out the capacity of the scale, so I have to come up with a better way to measure this now. Not sure how I'm gonna do that, but figure it out. Alright guys, I'm going to close out this video here. Just finished packing this order. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got some welding, some running of machinery, and just a little bit of here, there, and everywhere with what's happening at the shop. So I hope you guys liked it. If you would, drop a comment below. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to see all our future content. Thanks. Peace.